25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Where? Blount Smoky Mountains, Polk Smoky Mountains, East Polk, Johnson, Sevier Smoky Mountains, Southeast Carter, Southeast Greene, Southeast Monroe, and Unicoi counties. When? From 8 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive.